morning. This is Kristoff with Dusty Trails 4x4 garage. Heading out to feed the chickens. Dogs have already been out. This is the first, perhaps only, snow of the season. See how this works out. Oh, I hear the ducks. Now, this is going to be an interesting morning because it's been raining for the last couple days. I'm going to start out with some cat food and then do the rest of the stuff. Yep. Go, chicken, go. Mud ducks. Now you may be saying to yourself, now why would Kristoff give chickens cat food? Well, number one, it wasn't that much cat food. Number two, they need the extra protein. Because, you know, it's cold outside. So, wow. Oh yeah. Usually add some what is this? Red chili pepper and some kind of worm. Yeah. Seeds, some dehydrated worms, red chili. Someone asked me, why are you giving your chickens red chili powder? And what was that other stuff? Oh yeah, rosemary. And I said, well, I'm trying to season my chickens from the inside out. Which is exactly what I'm not doing. Look out, chickies. There you go. It is squishy out here. Oh, it is muddy. I should have put my rubber mud boots on. When I come back out, I will do exactly that. Put my rubber mud boots on. Oi. So, I give my chickens extra spices like red chili powder, powdered rosemary, and onion, because A, it's good for them, added nutrition, and the capsaicin, stuff that makes, you know, red chili hot, actually helps them with their circulation. The cat's been knocking everything over. So that their better able to take the cold weather. So if you want to know why, that's why. If you don't know, if you didn't care, then it's okay too. Alrighty, so that was me feeding the chickens in the snow. Have a good morning. Enjoy the weather. I'll talk to you later. Should have some merchandise down here in the bottom of the screen somewhere. That's a cat, by the way. There's another cat. I already fed the cats. They're just letting me know that they're here. They usually follow me around anyway. Well, who's this? Jobunja. That's Mama. Hi, Mama. That's Coco. Hi, Coco. That's Socks. Hi, Socks. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.